How to change font size in Facebook in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option available there. Now, once inside the Accessibility, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Pre-app option available there. Tap on the pre-app settings. I already have Facebook. Let me remove this first of all. Now tap on the add app and scroll down and look for the Facebook app and tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap on the Facebook and tap on the large text option available there. Now use the slider to adjust the text size. Larger text will increase the font size in apps. So now all you have to do is go back to the Facebook and look for the font size, and if you are okay with the font size, then you can simply choose that, refresh it. So as you can see that, or if you want more larger version than this, then you can again slide the slider.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.